Hello and welcome to this new video. This is Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner Light review. This is a vacuum cleaner that is really light. It has a battery, so it's battery operated, and we are going to unbox it today. So let's get started. As you can see, this is not the right way to hold it, but I will hold it like that. Here we have the cleaner. As you can see, this is it. Here we have a turn on and off button, and we have a turbo mode, so you can hold and press the power button, and you can increase it by, and then you can turn it off. Now here we have a place where you can plug things, and you can also disconnect it like that. So you can zoom in with the lens. Now, as you can see, this is the dust cleaner, and here this is the filter. It's an air filter, and here we have this to hang things, and you need to rotate and pull out. So it's a little bit stuck right now, and as you can see, here it is. This is where the dust will be, and you might be able to see some dust in here. Now you can place it back in, and you need to make sure that you are placing this back in the right direction, and then you can bring this back again. And if you have everything in place, it should sit tight. Now, in order to connect it back together, now this is the main point. Here we have two dots, and here we have another two dots. So you need to make sure that you have the lock here. Here is the lock, and in here we have a dot. So this dot must be facing these two locks. So you need to place it like that, and then rotate it. So here is the dot, and here is the lock in and out. First, it will be on the unlock, so you need to rotate it to the lock. And from here you can see the amount of dust inside this. Now, as you can see, here we have the Xiaomi logo. This is the Xiaomi logo, and it's easy to hold it. As you can see, it's a really light device. Now, let's see what else is inside. First, we have this. You can easily hook it here, so that you can start cleaning things, and it has a press here, so you can clean things like that. So you can use it to clean the curtains, and you can use it for a lot of things like cleaning your car, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning a table, or cleaning things that are around you. This vacuum cleaner is around 1 kilo or 1.2 kilograms, so it's a really light cleaner. Now this is for this part. Now, moving on, we also have other parts as well. We have this to clean. So we have this to clean the floor, and you can easily use it to clean the floor by hooking it up to this area. Now, it's not recommended to hook it up directly here on this. While it can be used like this, but it's not recommended. We usually recommend that people use the extension, and that extension is right here. It's the long extension that you are looking at here. Now this long extension is basically where you can place things. First you can place this here, then you can add this to the end, and this is now a normal vacuum cleaner. As you can see, that can go here and there. Now, other things that come in the package is this tool that can be used to clean places that are really tight, so that you can, like the let's say corners, or if you have a couch, you can place this to clean things inside the couch. And we also have this. It's basically a hanger for the tools that are here. You can hang, as you can see, the different parts for this vacuum cleaner, as you can see, and it looks really neat and beautiful. So you can easily use this to hold your let's say vacuum cleaner parts, and it can also be used to hold the vacuum cleaner itself. As you can see, it can go directly right here, so it can be placed in different locations. So what you need to do is to basically fix this to a wall, and you can easily hang this vacuum cleaner on this. So here we have it. Now that's it. I think this is it. Now we need to test it. There is a charger that comes with the package, but this charger is connected because I charged it before. I showed it here in the review. So the charger is basically a Xiaomi charger that you can use to charge this using a simple socket right here. As you can see, this is the charging socket. Now I think it's a very nice, very light vacuum cleaner, and the value is very good for the money that you are paying because it doesn't cost much. If you need one, you can check the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. This is Asher from Educational Engineering Team.